Jiang Xinjiang.
No, it's
Malay.
Jiachang.
Jiachengjiang.
Jiachengjiang.
Correct.
Jiachangjiang.
Yeah. In the middle, Ren 24 is the Chengjiang.
Jiang
So
Xinjiang,
this is
Competitor Bethel.
yeah, Jiachengjiang.
Okay.
Xinjiang.
So that's one.
Dito
So,
pala.
okay. Wow. Sister
Xinjiang.
Rosa is very familiar with this point. Okay.
No, first
Wow.
time.
Okay, now let's go to the questions. Jiachang is located
Number 8.
Wanchon.
Wanchun.
One
lateral
lateral to CB24.
Lateral.
The point
Yeah.
lies directly over the
Mental foramen.
Mental foramen.
which structure is closest to Jiachang?
Mental nerve.
Mental nerve.
Jiachangjiang belongs to which point category?
Extra point.
Which statement is false?
It's
It's
located
located
at
directly
Ren 24.
Andito pala yun.
Okay. Jiachangjiang primarily influences disorders involving
Lower face.
lower face. Which function is not listed for Jiachangjiang?
Tonifies kidney.
Which pathology best reflects Jiachangjiang's modern major therapeutic role?
Facial therapy.
Paralyzed.
Jiachangjiang is most useful for mouth deviation because it
Activates
and
the facial channel.
which anatomical landmark assists in locating Jiachangjiang?
Mental job.
Mentolabial groove. Recommended insertion direction.
Oblique toward the
Oblique
affected
towards
area.
the affected area.
Standard needling depth. Standard needling depth. How deep?
0.5 to 1.
0.5 to
0.51 kun. 1 kun.
Some texts recommend transverse insertion toward the
Lips or cheek.
Or cheek.
deep perpendicular insertion is discouraged primarily because of
Mental nerve
vessels.
which precaution is mentioned?
Precaution.
Maintain sterile
technique.
technique.
Patients requiring special caution include those with
Altered
Altered visual sensation.
facial surgery history requires caution because
Regional.
what's wrong with the
Vascular alteration.
Alteration.
The facial region is described as
Highly vascular.
Highly vascular.
Jiachangjiang is adjacent to
CB24.
the Chinese name is, you have to read.
Number D.
Ikaw lang.
Oh, diba? Only some, only
sister.
sister. I don't know what that. It looks like it represents something. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting to teach you. I'm waiting for your signal.
Okay. Yeah, wait. Bell's palsy combination does not include
Stomach
44.
which point accompanies Jiachangjiang for trigeminal neuralgia.
Extra HN.
Toothache protocol uniquely includes
Stomach 44.
which point appears in every listed combination.
LI4.
Hegpo. LI4.
Which condition is not listed?
Migraine.
Chia Chang Chiang helps stop
Facial
muscle
spasm.
a post-stroke patient with mouth deviation would most likely benefit because Chia Chang Chiang,
Open.
Open
Open
facial
facial
channel.
channel.
which symptom is associated with trigeminal neuralgia?
Facial
Facial
pain.
pain.
Which vessel accompanies the mental nerve?
Mental
Mental
vessels.
vessel.
Chia Chang Chiang is primarily indicated for disorders affecting
Lower
Lower
face.
face.
Lower face.
WHO designation for Chia Chang Chiang. Now I like pronounce
Extra nine.
HN5.
19.
19.
19.
19.
Alternative nomenclature mentioned is
MHN 18.
ay wow, familiar. Which action best explains its use in Bell's palsy?
Sabi best passive win dyan eh. Eliminate pain.
Which combination includes CB14?
Bell
14. Best palsy.
Which stomach point is common to Bell's palsy and toothache combinations?
Stomach 6.
Stomach 6.
Stomach 6.
Which point is not paired with Chia Chang Chiang for Bell's palsy?
SI 18.
Which indication involves dental structures?
Swollen gums.
Chia Chang Chiang activates
C and
Chi
blood.
and blood.
Blood.
which anatomical feature is emphasized for safe needling?
Mental
Mental
foramen.
The point should be considered when pathology involves
Lower facial musculature.
which point is
Muscle.
paired with Chia Chang Chiang for all three major clinical combinations?
Stomach 4.
Which statement regarding location is most accurate?
Bilateral and lateral to CD20.
The principal tissue at risk with excessive depth is the
Ay,
Mm.
mental
Mental
neurovascular
neurovascular
bundle.
bundle.
Chia Chang Chiang's pain relieving effect is primarily attributed to
Opening facial channels and activating chi and blood.
which point appears in Bell's palsy and trigeminal neuralgia protocols but not toothache?
Stomach 7.
Best palsy.
Ay,
Stomach
wow.
7.
Which disease reflects dysfunction of cranial nerve 7? Cranial nerve 7 is facial nerve.
Trigeminal neuralgia.
Bell's
Bell's
palsy.
palsy.
Ay, best palsy. Yeah, I
Bell.
7
Which
pala.
indication involves involuntary contraction?
Facial facial spasm.
The safest insertion respects which anatomical opening?
Mental
Protuberance.
No,
Ah,
mental
Foramen.
foramen.
Mental foramen.
Chia
Oh.
Chang is primarily selected for pathology involving
Facial channels.
channels.
which summary best characterizes Chia Chang Chiang?
Extra point
Extra
adjustment
point
CB24 that works with activate spatial. Chill blood treats lower facial disorders.
Wow, perfect. Okay.
Dami nagagawa ko lang yan.
Yan siya.
Okay.